These 7 AI tools will make you rich in 2023. Greetings everyone! In today's video, we would like to take a moment to discuss a topic that has significantly impacted our lives: the use of artificial intelligence, AI tools, and how they can make you rich. These AI tools will make you rich in 2023. Number 1. 10web.io. 10web.io employs AI algorithms to swiftly construct websites, eliminating the need for extensive manual labor. Also, 10web.io offers an intuitive user interface that allows even those without technical expertise to navigate and customize their websites effortlessly. The AI-driven design process ensures that your website functions well and looks stunning. 10web.io takes care of layout, color schemes, and other design elements like a pro. One of the standout features is the built-in SEO optimization, which means your website is primed to rank well on search engines from the get-go. In case you want to make changes or updates to your website, the AI recreation feature can assist by replicating the current design and preserving your site's aesthetics. Number 2. Durable.co. Durable.co streamlines website creation by using AI to automate various aspects of development. You don't need coding skills to customize your site on Durable.co. The platform offers an array of templates and elements that you can easily drag and drop. Also, the AI system ensures that the website it generates are visually appealing and tailored to your preferences, making a strong first impression on visitors. Just like 10web.io, Durable.co strongly emphasizes SEO, giving your website a competitive edge in the online landscape. Durable.co's AI-driven design process also prioritizes accessibility, ensuring your website reaches a broader audience. Both 10web.io and Durable.co have embraced AI technology to simplify the website creation process, making it accessible to individuals and businesses alike. Eliminating the need for coding and design expertise empowers users to focus on their content and business objectives. You can offer website development services by upgrading your skills through this platform to earn the money you so truly deserve. Number 3. Opus Clip for creating shorts. Let's explore the innovative platform known as Opus Clip, which offers a unique solution in a world dominated by short-form content. This tool transforms lengthy videos into captivating short clips, making it an invaluable asset for content creators aiming to make an impact in the fast-paced digital landscapes. Here's a closer look at what Opus Clip brings to the table. Opus Clip recognizes this trend and addresses the challenge of retaining viewer engagement in a world inundated with information. It possesses a remarkable ability to take long-form videos which may have extensive runtimes and condenses them into attention-grabbing short clips. This transformative process allows content creators to maximize video assets without extensive reshooting or editing. Also, Opus Clip's AI algorithms tirelessly identify the most compelling hooks and highlights within a long video. By pinpointing these key moments, Opus Clip ensures that your content retains engaging and impactful elements, even in a shorter format. You can turn long videos into shorter versions with the help of this tool. The rest is all about selling your services to potential customers, which will make you rich eventually. Number 4. ChatGPT Writer for emails and leads. In a world where time is of the essence, who can afford the luxury of composing lengthy emails or content? Enter a remarkable Chrome extension that quickly becomes a savior for busy professionals. This ingenious tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your email responses, allowing you to recapture those precious minutes that often slip through the crack of our daily routines. With this innovative solution at your fingertips, you can wave farewell to the constant struggle of managing overwhelming email correspondence. This revolutionary Chrome extension simplifies your email interactions and seamlessly integrates into your daily workflow, ensuring that your communication process becomes more efficient and effective. So why continue battling the email overwhelm when there's a solution at your fingertips? Embrace this Chrome extension and reclaim control over your inbox, time, and productivity. With its AI-powered assistants, you can effortlessly navigate the world of emails and ensure that every message you send is polished and professional while saving valuable minutes that can be better spent on your core tasks. Number 5. Tidio AI Lero. Customer support or chatbot is undeniably a pivotal aspect that can catapult your business to success or lead to its downfall. In enhancing customer experiences, Tidio's AI Lero emerges as a game changer, poised to revolutionize how you interact with your website visitors. This intelligent AI-driven solution doesn't just provide answers, it creates a seamless and memorable journey for your customers. But the prowess of Tidio's AI Lero doesn't stop there. It seamlessly collaborates with your human support team, acting as a reliable ally in delivering exceptional customer service. And the more clients you handle, the more money you make. Handling routine queries and repetitive tasks frees your support staff to focus more complex and value-added interactions. This translates to enhanced efficiency within your support team, ultimately boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Consider the impact of having an AI assistant available 24/7, tirelessly assisting your customers and prospects. It reduces the workload on your human agents and ensures that your customers receive consistent and accurate information, regardless of when they reach out. This level of responsiveness and reliability can significantly elevate your brand's reputation and customer loyalty. Number 6. DocuAsk. Have you ever found yourself buried beneath a mountain of documents, each one seemingly longer and more complex than the last? With DocuAsk, those days of endless reading and information overload are now a thing of the past. Whether you're a student grappling with voluminous textbooks, a professional navigating complex reports, or simply someone inundated with the paperwork of daily life, DocuAsk is a long-awaited solution to reclaim your precious time. Picture the freedom of effortlessly extracting essential information and valuable insights from documents without deciphering every word on every page painstakingly. With DocuAsk, you take the reins, posing precise questions that cut through the clutter and promptly deliver the answers you seek exactly when needed. This transformative tool empowers you to interact with documents more smartly and effectively, offering a streamlined approach to knowledge acquisition and document understanding. This streamlined approach saves you precious time and enhances your comprehension and retention of vital information. But the benefits of DocuAsk extend far beyond just time saving. It empowers students to study more effectively, allowing them to focus on key concepts and clarify doubts easily. For professionals, it transforms the way reports and documents are processed, enabling quicker decision-making and enhancing productivity. Even in our daily lives, where paperwork can sometimes feel overwhelming, DocuAsk simplifies the process, ensuring you can promptly access the information you require. Plus, you can offer document handling services to get the bucks you so deserve. Number 7. Microsoft Copilot. Meet Microsoft's Copilot, a groundbreaking AI wonder that seamlessly integrates into the entire spectrum of Microsoft's suite of products. Think of it as your ultimate digital assistant, poised to transform your work and boost your productivity. This remarkable AI is not just a one-trick pony, it's a multi-talented virtuoso, ready to assist you in a myriad of ways. Copilot's capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. It can analyze data, making sense of complex information and turning it into actionable insights. Say farewell to hours spent poring over spreadsheets. Copilot can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to make informed decisions easily. When crafting compelling presentations, Copilot is your creative partner in crime. It has a knack for turning data and ideas into visually stunning slides that captivate your audience. With Copilot by your side, you'll be delivering polished presentations that leave a lasting impression. I hope you found these insights valuable. Make sure to take some time and learn about these tools. Use them correctly to get the money you deserve. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.